See, by the name only it is very clear that the variable which is defined within a function, it is called as a local variable. What it means that the changes made by the function to that local variable, those changes will be realized, will be visible inside that function only. The moment control goes back to the main function or to some other function, the changes made by a function where it was locally defined, those changes will be lost. That is, the visibility of the local variable is confined within the function where it is defined. Got it? You can do whatever changes in the function, display it, whatever you do, but the moment control goes back to another function or to the main function, all the changes are lost. Whereas the global variable is a variable which is not defined in any function. It is defined outside the function, and the changes made by any function, those changes can be seen in different functions also and in the main function also. See, here's a program. Here you define x equal to 10. This 10 is not defined in any function, so it is a global variable. You are invoking compute method, right? And you are taking x as a parameter. That x will be assigned to this variable x. You are writing x plus equal to 5. See, have you used the global x as a keyword? You haven't used any global keyword here, right? So this parameter x which is assigned to this x is local here now. Whatever changes this function will make, those changes will be lost the moment control goes back to the main function, right? So this value 10 is assigned to this x parameter. You are making the value of x equal to 15. Value of x in function is 15 is displayed. You are going back to the main function. Here when you display the value of x, it will still display 10 because here x is a local variable. Got it? Now I'll just copy it, paste it in Spider ID. I'm running it. Value of x in function is 15. Now you come back to the main function. Value of x is still 10 because this x is a local variable here. Okay.